In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an NPS account online. We'll go through the registration process in a simple and clear way so you can follow along without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you have access to your PAN details, your date of birth information, your email address, and your mobile number because these are the details you'll be asked to enter during the sign-up process. To get started, open the CAMS NPS registration website in your browser. This is the online portal where you can begin your NPS account application. Once the page loads, take a moment to look around so you're on the correct site and ready to proceed. Next, go to the top right corner of the page and click on Join NPS. This option will take you to the registration section where you can start entering your personal details. If you don't see it immediately, just pause for a second and scan the upper part of the screen carefully. After that, enter your date of birth in the required field. Be sure to use the correct format shown on the page. This is important because your date of birth needs to match your official records for successful verification later in the process. Then enter your name exactly as it appears on your PAN card. This part is very important because even a small mismatch in spelling, spacing, or order can sometimes create verification issues. It's a good idea to double check what you type before moving on. Once that's done, enter your PAN number in the PAN field. Make sure you type it carefully and accurately. Since PAN is a key identity document for this application, incorrect details here can delay or interrupt the account opening process. Next, provide your email address. Use an email account that you actively check because important updates, confirmations, or communication related to your NPS account may be sent there. Typing it correctly the first time can save you trouble later. After entering your email, add your mobile number in the required field. Make sure it's a valid number that you currently use since you may receive verification messages or one-time passwords on it during the registration process. Finally, once all the required details have been filled in, click on Open NPS Account. This will submit your initial information and move you to the next stage of the online account opening process. As a quick tip, before clicking the final button, review every field one more time to make sure everything is accurate and matches your official documents. That small extra check can help avoid unnecessary errors. And that's how to begin opening your NPS account online. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to get started smoothly.